and welcome to the latest bulletin from CLC International School. I am your reporter Meenakshi with my co-reporter Navya. Let's dive into the world of CIS, where we share the latest updates and give you an exclusive glimpse into the vibrant experiences, achievements and the spirit that make our community truly special. CIS consistently provides a platform where speakers are met, allowing them to shine, excel and hone their leadership skills. Through consistent TED Talks and podcasts, CIS is planting seeds for the future. TED Talk and podcasts provide a way to inspire, educate and broaden perspectives for all listeners. These activities develop essential life skills, encouraging students to express ideas clearly and grow into confident thinkers. CIS excelled at the CBSE Regional Science Exhibition with 2 finalist projects showcasing innovation and scientific leadership. 2 teams, Pankaj and Lakshmi Narayan from class 11 with waste management, a sustainable approach by Anaya and Mani from class 6 with mathematical modeling and computational thinking. From problem solving made waves as finalists at the exhibition. CI students from classes 5 to 9 joined a 4-day ISRO Magica workshop exploring ISRO's space mission, crafting Chandrayaan projects and concluding with an exciting online test. Entrepreneur rise not by chance, but through hard work, determination and an unwavering will to succeed. It is truly exemplified by CIS at Udyamida 2024, winning 3rd place and the Spirit Touch Award at the Entrepreneurial Fest, showcasing exceptional creativity, teamwork and innovation in the picture perception test. Under one roof at CIS, children are exploring multiple languages and cultures. Students are regularly showcasing their exceptional skills in French and German, reflecting their growing confidence and love for learning new languages. Educational excursion enhance learning by providing hands-on experiences, broadening knowledge, and fostering real-world connections. CIS organized a memorable 5-day educational journey to Chandigarh, Shimla, and Pinjore, combining fun with valuable lessons. With top-notch arrangements, luxurious accommodations, delicious food, and exciting sightseeing, the trip was truly exceptional. Class 11 student visited Varnella Top Class Private Limited learning innovation, sustainability, manufacturing process, quality control, supply chain management, marketing, and the importance of legal compliance and economic growth. CLC doubled the joy of director Mr. Samar Chaudhary sir's birthday by hitting the nail on the head, honoring 3 outstanding achievers: Ayush Yadav, who secured 36th rank All India in ND, Vinay Pratap, who secured 45th rank All India in ND, and Anirudh Krishnawat, who won gold for India in the World Squash Championship in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Their remarkable achievement made this celebration even more special. CIS celebrated the World Meditation Day, promoting inner peace and self-reliance. Sessions by Sahaj Yoga and Brahma Kumaris introduced mindfulness tools, inspiring students to embrace tranquility, balance, and positivity. CIS celebrated the spirit of Lohri Parv with vibrant festivities featuring traditional song, dances and community service, spreading warmth, joy to the faces of Divya Jyoti Blind School. CIS commemorated Indian Army Day, paying tribute to the bravery and dedication of our Indian Army. The young soldiers
made the occasion even more memorable with their inspiring performances, reflecting the courage and commitment that helped build a stronger, united nation. CIS marked the anniversary of Pran Pratishtha of Lord Shri Ram with a meaningful celebration featuring a sacred havan, hymns, and prasad distribution.
On Republic Day, CIS immersed in the spirit of patriotism with a flag hosting ceremony that filled the air with pride, unity, and a deep sense of national honor.
Srijan 2025, a farewell to remember. CIS bid an emotional farewell to the spirited 12th in a grand event filled with joy, nostalgia, and inspiration.
It came alive with mesmerizing dances, soulful songs, heartfelt poems, and the glamorous rampart.
The 12th were honored with the unique titles and reflected their choices and personalities. A touching moment was symbolic passing with the legacy as they handed over candles to the class 11 students, signifying unity and continuity. Under the visionary guidance of Director Mr. Samar Chaudhary Sir, Srijan showcased the best of CISians. The principal further inspired all the insightful thoughts of a leading purposeful and meaningful life.
And AV, Safar Yadev, made the children nostalgic, serving as a beautiful symbol of moments shared together, evoking deep love and appreciation for the time spent.
As spring breathes new life into world, we at CIS come together to celebrate Basant Panchami, honoring Ma Saraswati, the goddess of wisdom, knowledge, and learning. The rituals beautifully echo our deep-rooted values and profound reverence for knowledge.
The Grade 5 graduation ceremony at CIS marked a special moment of growth and transition as students moved from primary to middle school. They symbolically stepped from pencils to pens, a beautiful reminder of growing responsibilities, confidence, and maturity.
The celebration filled with smiles, titles, and performances made it a day to remember.
Women empowers within to honor the love, strength, and unwavering support of mothers. CI celebrated International Women's Day with great enthusiasm. The event recognized the vital role of women playing in shaping young lives with care, compassion, and strength.
The school was honored to welcome inspiring guest Naval Baisaji, renowned for a dedication to welfare of animals and birds. Advocate Neelam Mishra, a member of BJP Rajasthan State Working Committee with over 30 years of committed service to women's empowerment and environmental conservation.
The event was a lively affair filled with fun games, songs, dance, and pagods of celebration. True to saying, empowered women empower the world. The gathering fostered joy, knowledge sharing, and spirit of togetherness, celebrating the essence of womanhood.
On his 15th Punyatithi, we honor Pujya Gurudev Pandit Harinathji Chaturvedi. His wisdom and devotion continue to inspire generations, guiding us on the path of rightness and selfless service. Humble salutations to his eternal legacy.
On Rajasthan Divas, we celebrate the bravery, culture, traditions, and beauty of our beloved state, from colorful festivals and folk music to its majestic forts and rich history. Being a Rajasthani fills us with pride and love.
CIS facilitated students from all grades with medals in recognition of their excellence in academics, celebrating their hard work and achievements.
These medals serve as a stepping stone, inspiring them to excel and strive for betterment in all areas.
Spectacle 24-25 alongside the parent-teacher meeting showcasing students' creativity and achievements.
The exhibition aimed to cover all aspects such as academic progress, innovative projects, and artistic talents, providing a holistic view of students' growth and learning. It celebrated both intellectual and creative excellence. The special attraction of the event was the launch of the book Starlight Secrets by the budding authors, proudly unveiled by the school's editorial board, marking a significant milestone in their literary journey. Director Mr. Samar Chaudhary graced the event with his presence, extending heartfelt appreciation and congratulating the budding authors for embarking on and successfully taking these remarkable steps toward becoming authors.
The school is the first place for learning where students are equipped with the knowledge and skills to excel.
Adhyudhyam, shaping future leaders, a dynamic platform where young mind master entrepreneurial skills, explore market dynamics, and unleash their potential to innovate and lead in the ever-evolving business world, empowering children to create and conquer.
CIS believes in providing equal opportunities for teachers' professional development. German teachers attend a 3-day conference, joining educators and experts to explore innovative approaches to regional studies and their integration into the German language curriculum.
Anirudh Kishnawat's win at the 4th World Skill Championship is a cherry on top of his achievements, making India proud. After winning gold, Anirudh Kishnawat was congratulated by Honorable Minister for Youth Affairs and Sports, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia, for his inspiring achievements and for motivating young athletes.
He received a grand welcome at CIS, sparked a fire, motivating and inspiring the entire school community. Heartfelt congratulations to Anirudh Kishnawat and Nihal Duri for their incredible achievement in National Sport Championship 2024 at Panchkula. Anirudh secured the gold medal while Nihal won the bronze, setting new benchmarks of excellence, dedication and relentless pursuit of greatness.
CS congratulates Principal Ms. Sushma Badoria Ma'am on receiving the Swami Vivekanand National Award 2024 for her exceptional contribution to 21st century education. Gratitude to Ek Updesh Media.
CIS shines in National Science Olympiad 2024 NSC. We are proud to announce that 6 of our talented students have qualified for Level 2 and 21 have earned the gold medals in the prestigious National Science Olympiad organized by the Science Olympiad Foundation SOF.
CS witnessed a duo celebration marking the 30th Foundation Day of CLC and the birthday of CEO, Engineer Sahil Chaudhary Sir.
The atmosphere was filled with joy, gratitude and admiration. Truly, it was a day when two great milestones met under one roof, making the occasion even more special with inspiration of achievements and heartfelt wishes. 30 years of excellence, CLC's legacy of success, 3 decades of growth, countless success stories and dreams fulfilled.
CS held a heartfelt blessing ceremony for Class 10 students, sending them off with good wishes and prayers as they gear up for their board exams. Each student received a pen and a card, symbolizing knowledge and expression. The principal's word of encouragement and the distribution of sweets made the event a true sweet start to their journey ahead, reminding them that the school community stands firmly behind them.
CIS gave its warmest wishes to all grade 10th and 12th students for their board examination. The entire school community has come together, offering their support and encouraging the students to believe in themselves, stay focused and give their best effort.
Result PTM, a day filled with happy, determined faces, celebrating achievements, embracing feedback and setting new goals.
As another year passed, in the blink of an eye, the PTM reminded us the Rome was not built in a day. Together, we continue to strengthen the path to success, one step at a time, with collaboration and confidence.
As the session 2024-25 wraps us, it has laid the groundwork for the exciting opportunities ahead. New learnings and renewed hopes will guide our path, ensuring that the lessons of this year continue to shape and inspire the sessions to come.
Stay tuned and updated as we continue to reach for the stars. Thank you.